There's a growing list of projects and tokens launched on Cardano that could present serious opportunities for risk-taking investors. But how do we find these projects? Here we go. CardanoCube.io. CardanoCube.io can give potential investors a list of new tokens on Cardano. Of course, the number of projects currently listed is significantly smaller than that of Ethereum, but Cardano is growing very quickly since the launch of smart contracts in September 2021. Projects are listed under headings such as dApps, launchpads, DEXs, etc., making it easy to see the type of project you're looking for, and a simple click on the logo will take you to the project page where more information and a link to the project website and white paper can be found. All projects are verified by the CardanoCube.io team, so the projects listed should be genuine, but you should be advised, as with all crypto investments, to do your own research.